Hello everyone, I am Bhumi Ganesh Raut, a person who still has a kid within. A kid who always likes to explore, ask questions and try different things with curiosity. And that curiosity once made me ask question a very simple luxury. क्या है दिमाग में? बड़ा घर, बड़ी गाड़ी, प्रीमियम इवेंट्स, हाई स्पेंडिंग्स, राइट? सिंपल सी बात है, यूजुअली लग्जरी मीन्स मनी. बट व्हाट इफ ₹0 से भी लग्जरी क्रिएट हो सकती है? आई एम अ पार्ट ऑफ अ स्टूडेंट लेड टेक कम्युनिटी and as the first AWS Cloud Club captain from Ahilanagar, I got an opportunity to represent at a global level through Amazon Web Services. Our journey started from my rural beginnings at a rural campus, that is Sanjeevani, and scaled towards a global exposure. In that journey, a community of our students organized multiple events. Our first large-scale event, AWS Cloud Discovery Day, got a huge response of 600 plus audience, completely student-led within our campus. At that stage, we did not have any external funding support and we managed it through our institutional support, coordination and a careful planning. Throughout the year, we continued organizing events at ₹0 luxury. And later, for our flagship event, AWS Student Community Day, Sanjeevani 2026, we received a structured financial support from Amazon Web Services and a strong backing from our institution, Sanjeevani. And that's where financial management became real. Because financial management is not just about a theory, it's about planning, organizing, directing and controlling the financial activities. Right from the procurements of funds to the effective utilization of those funds, and we experienced each of these functions step by step. First, it started with the determination of funds, where we had to estimate how much money is actually required for logistics, operations and participant experience, because incorrect estimation leads to either wastage or the shortage of resources. Then comes raising of funds. Initially, we operated with minimal resource. Later, through consistency and credibility, we secured around $2,000 from Amazon Web Services. And we also received a strong backing from our institution, Sanjeevani. Along with that, we generated a revenue from ticketing. Based on our planning and audience response, the additional $1,000 were unlocked. So funds were not just received, they were earned through trust and execution. Next was allocation of funds. This is where a real decision making happened. We had to decide exactly where to spend more and where to optimize, because every allocation impacts directly on financial outcomes. Then we evaluated financial performance by comparing planned budget versus actual spend and checking whether the outcomes are justified with costs, ensuring efficient and responsible utilization of funds. And finally, we came to the last step of financial management, that is profit plan. Through ticketing, we generated the revenue and instead of just holding, we reallocated it back to students through meaningful rewards and vouchers. So surplus was not just created, it was utilized effectively. So when we say ₹0 luxury, it represents the only starting point, not the entire journey. From rural beginnings to global exposure, from minimal funds to structured plan, what created that experience was financial management. Not how much we had, but how we effectively planned it and utilized it. And this applies everywhere, events, startups, even personal. You may not always have more money, but always have a control over your planning, allocation, and your utilization. And that is financial management is. Thank you. Stay connected, grow together.